Page 122. This is dealing with scales and hand positions for scales. C major scale. I mean, there's all kinds of ways of looking at how the hands are doing what they're doing when playing scales. That's fine. We'll go through it. The book presents it, so let's talk about it. C major. Remember, in a C major scale, the thumb is playing the C and the F. The other fingers are playing the other one, and the little finger isn't used except as a turnaround finger when you're going up and you want to go back down. Then instead of using thumb to come down, we just use a little finger. It's there, it's convenient. So that's, otherwise it's not used. Well, the hand position in the middle of page 122 is that. You're just doing the first one and then that. And then that. So we're just doing the hand position. There. Thumb. Using the little finger as a turnaround finger. Here. And again, if you'll relax the thumb, you can do this. Turn a little bit. Yeah, just relax. Left hand, same thing. Here we're starting with a little finger because why not? It's there. I don't want to start with thumb, then come over. So here. And here, thumb, because the thumb is playing G and C. And the other fingers are playing the other things. That's the way of grouping them. I think that's kind of confusing myself, but the book presented it, so okay, that's the way. Just do the stuff I do in the video, the scale videos, and the trill exercise will do, I think, the most good. Now at the bottom of the page 122, they give you the C major scale, 2 octaves in contrary motion. So they're going to start doing things 2 octaves. That is the intermediate level in my videos, scales and arpeggios. So you're going to have to start doing those, ready or not. But again, in my scale videos, the most important part of that is the trill exercise. Even for 2 octaves, do that until you're really comfortable and loose with it. And for the arpeggios, it's the tremolo exercise. Here we're dealing with the scale, but we're going 2 octaves. And they want to do it in contrary motion. I do it in parallel motion. Parallel motion is actually more difficult in C major than contrary. So whichever. But here you're using the same fingers. Some finger plays the C. It could be either one, doesn't matter. Both hands don't need to play that note, one or the other. And that's what they're doing here. Now they repeated the top note. I just go up and turn around. But you can repeat it. On page 123, they're dealing with the chords. C chord, first blocked. Remember all the notes at the same time. Here. Go up there, do the diatonic stuff you want. I don't know why, but it's kind of fun. And then the broken, same thing. Go up the scale. Just good practice. It helps to drill the physical feeling of where these notes are into the hands, though, into the muscles. On page 124 and 125 and so forth, they're giving you the different scales and the arpeggios, and they're going 2 octaves. Don't agree with this approach, but the book has done it this way. I would prefer you use my scale videos. And that's 2 octaves, as I said, that's the intermediate level. So you do the beginning part and the intermediate part in the video. Do them both. Don't skip the beginning part because you go to the intermediate. Do them both. But they have, that's like C major first, they go up 2 octaves. Okay, fine, they're starting where? Here and here? So they got 2 octaves apart. I do mine 1 octave apart, doesn't matter, just play them. Not that fast, as I said, I've been doing this forever, but that's the idea. And then the arpeggios. Again, the tremolo exercise, those will do you the most good. And then the idea is to stay relaxed when you do them. Stay relaxed when you do them as best you can. Then they just go through the different scales. 1 sharp, 2 sharps, 3 sharps. They're just adding a sharp. So G major, they're not doing the minors. We're focusing on majors. Okay, I do minors. I do them both, whatever. But G major, same thing. It's just you're starting here and here. And that goes on through to the top of page 126. So whatever your teacher's telling you to do with those, that's fine. I just go around and circle fifths myself, but okay, we can do this. Let me know if you have any questions.